Hello, and welcome to this NSU ITS training video on installing Microsoft Office 365 on your home computer. This video shows installation on a PC running Windows 10. Open a browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Navigate to portal.office.com. Sign in to the Microsoft window that opens using your NSU email and click Next. Log into the NSU Single Sign-On login using your NSU username and password. Check Yes or No if you wish to stay signed in. The next screen will have a slide deck that tells about some features of Office 365. You may close the deck using the X in the top right corner of the slide, or read them using the arrows on the sides of the slides. On the next screen, click the drop-down arrow on the Install Office Apps field and click Office 2016. The setup file will download. When the download is done, click the option arrow and choose Open. At this point, you may see two things not in this video. A window may open asking what you want to do. Choose Run. Also, a window may open asking if you want to allow Microsoft to make changes to the system. Choose Yes. Time to install will vary based on internet speed. When the installation is finished, you can close the window. Click the Windows button to open the Start menu. You will see new items in the Recently Added section and in the Tiles area. The My Office button takes you to an online office management module that I will show after we activate the software. Clicking on the letter A in the All Apps list will open a jump window. Select W for Word. Click to open Word, then click to open a blank document. Notice that while Office 365 is installed, it needs to be activated. Click the button that says Activate. This will open a setup window. Click on Sign In. When the Activate Office window opens, type in your NSU email and click Next. An NSU Office 365 login will open. Sign in with your NSU user ID and password. Microsoft will activate your license, and when you are back in Word without an activation message, you are ready to work. No other Office 365 installations should require activation. Now I want to show you the My Office module. Open the Start menu by clicking on the Windows button in the taskbar. Then click on My Office in the Tiles section. My Office is where you will be able to manage your installs. You may install Office 365 on up to 5 PCs or Macs, 5 tablets, and 5 smartphones. You will be able to manage your installations in the My Account tab. See a list of apps as well as extras and mobile apps in the Programs tab. You will have Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Skype for Business, Publisher, and Access. Sway, Microsoft To Do, and Office Lens are also available for free. Access your work stored in the cloud in the Documents tab. You can also learn more in the Help and Training tab. Express yourself in the Feedback tab and read contractual terms and more in the About tab. If you minimize the window, you can reopen it using the icon on the taskbar. Thank you. Enjoy Office 365, technology tools that work for you at NSU.